In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook business page. So here I am in Facebook. It doesn't matter where you are in Facebook. When you look at the top and the blue bar, there's this little triangle here. Click on that. Scroll down to Create Page. Click on that. And for this example, I'm going to choose company, organization, or institution. And I'm going to add a company name. So since most of my instructional videos are about realtors, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to Tina Lussier, realtor. Okay, and I'm not going to bother with the registered trademark right now because this is just a test. I'm going to choose a category, and I'm just going to choose company because you can always change it later. And then I'm going to click Get Started. Now, here we are at a blank business page. First thing you need to do is like your page. Then you're going to want to add a profile picture. So I will upload a picture, whatever picture I can find right now, just for the purpose of being quick. Now, it's going to ask you to always upload a cover image. This is really valuable real estate. This is what people notice when they come to your page. So I'm going to add a cover that I've already created. And while it works, very slow, of course, because I'm doing a video, and you can reposition it as you want and save. Now, if I were a realtor, I would actually be using my face in the profile picture. Here, you can add a button. So click on it. It gives you the choice. Now, I think the best choice would be to get in touch. And you can choose a call now option and put your phone number in there. And I'll just skip that for now. Then what you're going to want to do is go in, if I go down here to About, click on About. This is where you're going to put the information about you. So Story. In here, do a quick summary of you, the person, the realtor, and then add the company profile underneath that. So you first, and then company second. And if you want an example, you can go over to the Realtor Executive First Choice business page and just copy what's already there. And then just basically, this is just like filling in a form. So just go down and fill in all the information. Make sure that you have your contact information in there, your website information. If any of these pertain to you, here's a company overview. That's good. So just basically follow down to each area and fill in absolutely everything that you possibly can. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the top here, Settings. Click on Settings. And this is where the important stuff is. So, page is not pinned to shortcuts. You're going to want to pin the shortcuts because that way it'll be easy for you to find on your personal profile, and I'll show you that in a minute. Page is published, visitor posts. Anyone can publish to the page, and anyone can add photos and videos. This is a good idea. If you are uncomfortable, you can choose the option to review posts by other people before they are published to the page. But if you want an engaging page, I would not tick that box. And I would not disable posts by other people. If you find that you're in a harassing situation, this option is here for you. Messages. People can contact my page privately. But so basically this gives people the option to send you a private message to your Facebook page. You absolutely want people to be able to do that. Tagging, and this is a really important one. It always surprises me when I see that businesses have tagging disabled. So you want people to be able to tag photos and videos published by this page, because it's going to help, you know, spread your brand recognition. And another one that I believe is also important is people and other pages can tag my page. So let's say, for example, you're sponsoring a fundraiser, and the nonprofit organization that is hosting the fundraiser is thanking their sponsors on their Facebook page. Well, first of all, you want to be recognized as a sponsor. Second of all, you want that to really count for you, especially online. So make sure that you have this box checked off that other people can tag your page, and it'll show up on your page when they talk about you. That's a wonderful thing. Page moderation. No words are being blocked from this page. If there was, say, a competition or something that you were in with somebody or another company, and you don't want any words about that company on your page, this is where you put it. Profanity filter, I always set this to strong. Page is visible to everyone. Page is shown to everyone. You can restrict the age. So just keep going down here, and everything here is pretty self-explanatory. Now let's go over here. That was general. Now these are your messaging options. Again, everything is pretty self-explanatory. You can set up the response assistant, so you can send instant replies to anyone who messages your page by clicking this, and you can actually customize this by clicking change. Go to send you a message for the first time, you can send them a message first, thanking them for coming. So read through these options. I think these are really great options to have active on your page. Notifications, so you can choose what to be notified about and how often. So just go through the instructions. Okay, page roles. This is where you can add administrators to your page, and you can add, see, I'm the admin, I'm the one I have control of this page, but I can also add an editor who can add content, etc., etc. So you can add whoever you want to the page by typing in their name or their email, the email address that they use for their Facebook account. People and other pages. Now, this is where you can see all the people and all the pages who like your page. You can set your preferred page audience here, and I'm not going to bother with that right now. Instagram ads. If you have an Instagram account, then you would click on this, and you would type in your Instagram username and password, and that would connect it to your Facebook page, so that when you're buying Facebook ads, you can also have them showing up on your Instagram account. Featured. This is a really good one for Realty Executives First Choice, because on their page, they like all of their executives' pages, and they can feature them on their page. So it's a really good way of cross-promoting. Cross-posting. This is a really great one if you have a community, and this. So in the case of a real estate brokerage firm, you would want to add pages to the cross post. So I'm just going to enter the page. So let's, just because I'm not there, I type in Realty Executives First Choice, and what this means is when I add video content to this Facebook page, Realty Executive First Choice will also be allowed to share that video content. It'll show up with their page. So it's just a really great way of sharing the same video across other pages. So in the case of Realty Executives, the office can tag the Facebook pages of all of their executives so that they all have access to use the same video. And I think that's a pretty good starter on learning how to create a Facebook page. Now what you need to do is start posting, and invite people to like your page. So scroll down here under community, click here to invite all of your friends, and invite all your friends. And that's how you make a Facebook page.